In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clean professional design in PhotoRoom from upload to download. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring in your image, place your design on a template, adjust it to fit perfectly, and export a polished final file you can share anywhere. First, head over to photoroom.com and log in. Being signed in ensures your work is saved and you can revisit your projects later. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the option labeled Create a Design. Click that to open a fresh workspace where you'll build your project. Next, choose Select Photos and upload your image. This is the main photo you want to feature. High-quality files like crisp JPEGs or transparent PNGs will give you the best results. If your photo is large, that's great. It gives you more flexibility to crop and scale without losing quality. With your image ready, it's time to select a template. Templates help you start with the right size and layout for things like social posts, product shots, or banners. Scroll through the categories and pick one that matches your goal and aspect ratio. Choosing a template that fits where you plan to use the image saves you from fix-it work later. Now upload your design. This is where you bring in any custom graphic you want to overlay. Think a logo, a watermark, or a pre-made design element. Add it to your project so it's available on top of the template. Click the design to select it. You'll see handles appear around the edges, indicating it's active and ready to be adjusted. If you have multiple elements, make sure you've selected the right one by clicking directly on it. Resize and reposition it on the template. Drag the corner handles to scale while keeping the design looking natural. Move it into place, align it with the main subject of your photo, and keep consistent margins from the edges for a balanced look. If guides appear, use them to center or align elements cleanly. A small logo typically looks best near a corner or centered below the main image, while a headline design might sit near the top or middle. When everything looks right, click Download and export the image. Choose the format that suits your needs. PNG is great for preserving quality or transparency, while JPG keeps file sizes smaller. Give your file a clear name so you can find it later, and save it to your preferred folder. That's it. You've taken an image from upload to a finished design in PhotoRoom, ready to post, print, or share.